The greatest obstacle to the worldwide reception of digital forms of money on the planet is its convenience. This genuine utilization of the cryptographic forms of money to settle installments on the organization has been made incomprehensible by the frequently high gas expenses and meticulously sluggish exchange handling speeds kept up with by various blockchain networks. Fleexa and its AMP tokens are hoping to tackle this issue by giving insurance to crypto exchanges. This inventive way to deal with crypto exchanging has been heartily invited by the crypto local area. It has likewise been taken up by countless dealers, hoping to incorporate crypto to their upheld installment choices. The way that it is guaranteed exemplarily well previously and has a brilliant future has likewise seen it draw in a ton of financial backer interest. You also could have thought about putting resources into the somewhat new token. What's more, to assist you with beginning, we have concocted the Where to Purchase AMP guide, which acquaints you with the top trades to purchase AMP and lets you know all the other things you really want to be aware of the cryptographic money. Today, for example, AMP is recorded with basically all the famous and most fluid crypto trades on the planet. From one viewpoint, this is empowering as it makes the token available and, in many occurrences, fluid. Then again, having a great deal of top trades to purchase AMP to browse might overpower. This stage is not difficult to use for fledgling merchants and furthermore incorporates a large group of instructive assets to direct the beginner dealer's effective money management venture. In any case, it likewise coordinates a rich asset of cutting-edge, exchanging, examination, and hazard-the-board devices that enticement for star dealers, alternate courses through which eToro supports its financial backer allure, and which ought to make you add it to your rundown of best places to purchase AMP. Incorporate the mix of social and duplicate exchanging apparatuses. The social exchanging apparatus permits all eToro trade clients to communicate with each other and gain from one another. The duplicate exchanging apparatus, then again, allows both master and unpracticed merchants to procure latently. Fledglings acquire when they duplicate exchange settings of profoundly effective famous financial backers. Be that as it may, for each effectively replicated exchange, the copier shares 20% of the benefits made with the well-known financial backer. We additionally loved eToro's straightforwardness, particularly with regards to crypto exchanging expenses. The trade, for example, doesn't keep up with stowaway charges and will allow you to see the complete expense of your exchange before you hit the purchase button. What's more, when you purchase AMP here, the charge is fixed at 1% of the exchange volume. You could likewise consider eToro a top trade to purchase AMP crypto as a result of its low store and exchange essentials. Here, you just have to store $10 to begin purchasing AMP. What's more, the store might be made by means of such installment choices as MasterCards, check cards, bank moves, Atch, Sofort, PayPal, Skrill, and Nettler. The multi-managed crypto trade that began as a forex trade is likewise dedicated to the security of its clients' very own data and computerized resources. Most importantly, eToro doesn't impart delicate client information to outsiders. Besides, it furnishes clients with a free custodial wallet that stores over 90% of their computerized resources in disconnected vaults. It likewise gives each financial backer a multi-use and non-custodial versatile wallet application. Crypto.com comes next on our rundown of where to purchase AMP tokens in 2023. Furthermore, we were first attracted by its lengthy store and withdrawal limits. Here, you can store as much as $10 million day-to-day through bank moves. Be that as it may, this isn't the main justification for why we consider Crypto.com one of the most mind-blowing spots to purchase AMP in 2023. Others start with its clear client onboarding process and reasonable leased store that beginning from $20. This store might be made by means of such upheld installment choices as Visas, check cards, and e-wallets, Skrill and Nettler. What's more, when you purchase AMP tokens on Crypto.com, you pay a cutthroat creator-taker charge of somewhere in the range of 0.4% and 0.1% in view of your 30-day exchanging volume on the trade, not failing to remember that you will fit the bill for a 10% markdown on the charges in the event that you had marked something like 5,000 Chronos tokens on the stage's DeFi stage. You will likewise consider the stage a top trade to purchase AMP crypto in the event that you are keen on procuring latently. Here you get to collaborate with the Crypto.com marking program that allows you to procure up to 14.56% PA in interest when you stake AMP and other cryptos. You additionally approach the Crypto.com loaning program that allows you to acquire up to half of your marked crypto with adaptable reimbursement times and serious exchanging volumes. We likewise love that Crypto.com is hugely fluid, frequently highlighting among the 10 most fluid crypto trades. Moreover, The trade records an extensive variety of digital forms of money and crypto matches. Additionally, Crypto.com keeps up with the absolute quickest request execution speeds, averaging 0.3 milliseconds. And every one of these make Crypto.com the best spot to purchase AMP for dynamic dealers. Binance is the biggest and the most famous crypto trade on the planet. It is additionally the most fluid trade on the planet, handling near $80 billion worth of crypto exchanges day to day. It likewise upholds one of the most extensive scope of digital forms of money, which means countless AMP exchanging matches. Be that as it may, we pin Binance to our watch list of where to purchase AMP in 2023, basically due to its super low exchange costs. At the point when you purchase AMP on Binance, you pay a cutthroat creator-taker expense of somewhere in the range of 0.1% and 0.04%. What's more, in the event that you decide to settle this exchange expense with Binance Coins, BNB, you will meet all requirements for a 25% markdown, bringing this exchanging cost to somewhere in the range of 0.75% and 0.03%. However, these are a long way from being the main justifications for why we consider Binance the best spot to purchase AMP tokens in 2023. Others incorporate its convenience and asset-rich exchanging stage. Like most trades, Binance keeps a clear record opening cycle. It likewise keeps up with exceptionally reasonable store and exchanging essentials, beginning from $2. Furthermore, this store can be made by means of MasterCards, bank moves, or other cryptos. Is AMP a wise venture? The larger part in the crypto local area, particularly financial backers and current AMP financial backers, are certain that the symbolic will support its current upswing. Yet, before you begin purchasing AMP, you want to find out about the various advantages and dangers of putting resources into this computerized security token. AMP value expectation. The greater part of the crypto cost forecasters that we have connected with are certain that AMP will bounce back, recover its 2021 highs, and rush higher than ever soon. A portion of the elements that they accept will assist with reigniting esteem gains for the token, incorporate a recuperating crypto market, and network improvements, expanded use cases for AMP, and joint efforts among Fleexa and both on and off-chain brands. Toward the finish of 2023, crypto investigators at Conquora are certain that the AMP token will have begun recuperation and will in all probability be selling for somewhere in the range of $0.039 and $0.058. These hopeful feelings are shared by forecasters like Governor Capital that utilization a blend of specialized examination and AI to figure AMP token costs. In the following 5 years, they anticipate that AMP token costs should have valued by over 8,000% to break above 72 cents. Best AMP wallet. There at present are various computerized wallets that help AMP tokens. As a matter of fact, the 3 top trades to purchase AMP that we have examined above will give you free trade